Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 600 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So for example, you cannot swipe, you cannot do anything. And to do that, you need to press the power button and volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So we are simply using the combination of keys that is used for taking or making a screenshot. However, hold your fingers longer. So let me press both of those buttons together. Obviously, we've made a screenshot, but let's just ignore it and keep pressing both of those buttons or keys. We've got the black screen, but keep pressing. And I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo. So this is the moment when you release the finger and simply wait until your device will be fully powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.